Hello guys, this is the app we will design. In this app we can scroll this list, actors list, like here, like this we can scroll, and we can when we will click on this search icon button, this search bar will open, and in this search bar we can search any actor's name. Like if I press CH, then all the names which have the ch in the name will come in here. When we press on this search icon in the keyboard, this search box will go away like this. And also, if we want to cancel this ch in one go, then we can simply press this cross icon here, and when the second time we will press this close icon, then again this top bar will come back. So this will be the app we will design. So this app we will design in two parts. In the first part we will design the UI of this app, and in the second part we will give the functionality of this app. Like if we want to click on this search icon, then this search bar will show up, and also when we press some keyword here, then some name will come up which have these words. So like this, in the second video we will give this logic. So now let's go to the Android Studio and create a new project. So in that new project tab, we will select this empty compose activity and press next. And I will name this app search bar. And we will take the minimum SDK 21 and let's create this project. It will take some time, so let's wait. So our project has been built. So first we will delete all these codes which have come with the new project. So let's delete these also here. So before starting we will be needing some colors and fonts. For that we can go to the GitHub link you can find in the description. Here first we will go in that app package, and here build.gradle. Here there is a dependency for the view model. Let's copy it and go to that Gradle script package and build.gradle. Here in the last we will paste that dependency, and let's sync this. So this dependency we will use for that view model, and this project has been synced, and close this, and let's go again to the project and press T and find main activity. So there is a list of actors, so we will use this list. We don't have to type all these names. Copy, and in this main activity we will paste this list like this, actors list. And also we will be needing two more colors. So when we go to that UI theme package, in that color.kt file, these four colors come with the new project, but we need two more colors. For that, again let's go to this GitHub link and type color.kt file, this file, and here we will copy these two colors and paste here. And one more thing we will be needing is the font. We will be needing a default font. For that in that resource package we will create a new package for font, Android resource directory, and let's select font. So in this way we will create a new package, and in this font package we will paste one more font, T, and then font, this Cairo font. Let's click here and download this font. So copy and paste here, this like this. So now we have set up our initial project. So now we will start designing our screen. So this is the screen we will design. First we will take a big column layout, and in that column layout we will, for this top row we will use a row layout. In that row layout there will be a first text and the icon in the last. So let's create this first. So here we will create a new file, new Kotlin file for that screen, famous actor screen file. So first we will create a new composable function for this famous actors screen with the name of this, and in that first we will take a column layout, and in that column layout we will modify it with the help of modifier parameter, and here we will use the fill max size function. So what it will do, it will take the maximum size of the that phone screen, because different phone has different phone screen. This background function, what it will do, it will take that background, same background color. This is the same color we pasted in that color.kd file. So like this we will take the background color for this column, and also we will give some padding. Padding means spacing around four sides. I have taken 20 dp, and with the help of this preview annotation we have created a new function for previewing this screen. So let's open this split mode and see the preview. Let's build it. So in this preview we can see it has given the background color, same that color, and also there is some spacing around all four sides like this. So first we will create a new composable function for the top bar, and this function we will use here, top bar. So in this way we have created a new composable function named top bar, and in that we have used the row, and in that row we have modified it to fill max width, because this row needs to be taken the maximum width of the screen. And also I have given some padding from the top, because I need some space from the tops also. And in this row we have used this famous actor text, and for that search bar icon, for that search icon we have used this icon because we need this icon clickable. That's why we have used this icon button, and in this icon button we need to use the icon, and we need the icon of search. So for that, how we can get that icon? So with the Jetpack compose, some icons come, like we can access those icon when we type icons with this object icons dot rounded dot, like when we press this rounded, and here we can see there are so many icons like search, account box, and here add circle, arrow back. All these icon we can use. So for now we need to use search icon, and this content description, let's say this is the search icon. So we need to say what this icon is in this content description parameter. Now let's see the preview and see what we need to change. As we can see, we cannot see our icon and text. So this is because these icon and text are in black color. So first let's change those two things, color. Like this, but we need this text bigger. So for that, let's specify some font size 40 sp. Now let's see the changes. Now we can see our famous sector text is looking perfect, and we need to change two more things, like we need this icon in the center of this famous actor text. For that we need to change the vertical alignment to center, and also we need this icon on the other side of this screen, like on the right side. For that we will use the horizontal arrangement space between. What this space between do, it will place the first child in the left side and the last child in the right side, and it will give the maximum space in between both these child. So now let's see the changes. Now as we can see, our top bar is looking perfect. So let's minimize this top bar from here, and let's go here. Now after this top bar we need a single line. How we can get that line? With the help of divider we can get that line. Now first let's see the preview, and like we can see in our preview, there is a thin line, and all in this, with the help of this divider we have used this thin line. So in this divider there is a color parameter. We have given this card background color. This is the same color again we pasted in that color.kt file, and thickness I have taken 2 dp, and also I have given some padding, only vertical padding, because I need some space before this line and also after this line. Now we need those name cards. For that, first let's see how we can design. So these are the name cards. So how we can design? We can simply take a card, and in that card there will be a row layout, and in that row layout first we will take an icon and this text. So like this we will design a single card, and we will reuse that single card for whole that list, actors list. So first let's design this card. Here we will create a new composable function, single item card, and this single item card we will use here so we can see the preview also. Like this, first we will take a card, and in that card there will be a row layout, and in that row layout first we have said we need fill max width of that row, and in that row there will be an icon and a text. We need that pupil icon. How we can get the like before we can take that from the Jetpack compose that icons object, but I didn't find that icon. So one more thing we can do is we can go to this resource package and right click, not resource package, this drawable folder, and in that vector asset, when we click on this icon, and here we can see there are so many icons we can use in our project. So we need that pupil icon, this icon, and also these icons are in of different variants, like we can use in the field, outline, round, sharp, two tone. So we will take now round icon, this, okay, and I will name it icon. IC stand for icon and icon pupil. We will change the color in our composable. Next, finish. So in this drawable folder there is a icon.pupil. So here we will use this icon. How? Painter resource r.drawable.icon pupil, and I will name it icon pupil. Let's see the preview. Like we can see there is a different color in that card. So in this card layout, here we will define those parameters: background color, card background color, and also content color, white. Now let's see the changes like this, but we need to give some padding around this text and icon. How? Here we will take padding 15 dp, and also we need to align these icon and text center. So for that, vertical alignment center, and also we need some space between this icon and the text. For that we will use the spacer after this icon of width 10 dp, like this. Now let's see the changes. Like this, it is looking perfect. And one more thing we need to change is this font, because we need to use that custom font we pasted in that font package, this Cairo font. So how we will access? We will go to this UI theme and type file. So here we will access that font, like, well, like this we will access that Cairo font with the help of this font family, and here font r dot font dot Cairo, like this. And here we will use in that font family parameter. Cairo font like this. So now let's see the changes. Now we can see our item card is looking perfect. So how we will reuse this card for the whole list? For that we need to use a lazy column. Lazy column means the child of will be lazy column means the child of this layout will be up and below, and lazy means only those child will compose which are visible on the screen. So as we scroll down, so those items will be visible, only those will compose. So in this way our resources will use minimal. So here in this lazy column we will take that items, and here we will provide our actors list, and this what this items will do, it will loop this actors list, and it will take single item of that actor name, and we will provide this here. But we have used that text, we need to change this through the parameters. So for that let's create a new parameter, actor name of string type, and here we will give different actor name in different cards. So here we will provide like this, it will loop into this actors list and take each item, and it will create a new single item card. So now let's see the preview. Like this we can see our screen is looking good, but we need some space after every card. So for that, in this after this single item list, we need some space. Now let's see the changes. Like this we can see our screen is looking perfect. Now we need to see this screen in the emulator also. For that let's go to this main activity and pass this famous actors screen, and let's run this in the emulator. Our screen is looking good, but there is a blue line in the top. This is called status bar, so we need to change the color of this also. For that let's go to this value package, and here there is a colors.xml, and let's duplicate this one color, status color, and here we will use the code from color.kt file, this background color code, copy and paste, and this color we will use in this themes.xml. Here in place of this purple we will use status color, and now we can see the changes. Now we can see our status bar color is also black, and like this we can scroll this screen also like this. Now we will design the search bar. So when we click on this search icon, that search bar will come up. So first let's see the design. So like this we will design our search bar. So search bar is basically we will use the outline text field. In that outline text field we can get the input of the user. So here this icon, the first icon is called leading icon. So in this leading icon we will use this search icon, and in the last there it is called trailing icon. Here we will use this close icon. Now let's minimize this emulator and also close these files. In this famous actor screen, after this, here we will create a new composable function. Like this, we have created a new composable function, and in this we have used this outline text field. Here we have first given, with the help of modifier parameter, we have given fill max width. So this search app bar will take maximum width of the screen. This value parameter is the text which will be shown in that text box, in that text field. Now we have taken it blank. In the next video we will give the functionality that what text will be shown in that search bar, and this on value change parameter means what will happen when we press on the keyboard, how value will change, this value. So like this we will give the functionality of these two parameters in the next video. Here we have used the blank, and this leading icon is the icon which will come in the starting. So here we have simply used the search icon from that Jetpack compose icons library. And also this trailing icon is that icon which comes in the last. So here we have used the icon button because we need to click that icon, close icon, because this search icon in this text field doesn't need to be clickable, so we haven't used this icon button. So now we will pass this search bar. In place of this top bar we will delete this, and here we will use search app bar. And now let's see the preview. In this preview we can see nothing is shown because everything in this search app bar is black. So first we will give the color. So first we will give some outline color of this outline text field. There is a parameter called colors. Like this we will give some color to this outline text field by using this parameter. In here we will use the text field default and outline text field colors. So like this we can access the colors of this outline text field. And here we will use the unfocused border color. This unfocused border color is when we will not click in this text field, this unfocused color will be shown here, white. Also we need these icons in white color. So now we can see the preview. Here in this preview we can see this border color is very bright, 100% white color. So we need some dull color means we will make this white color some transparent. So how we can do this? We will copy this white color and we will change the alpha value to medium, content alpha dot medium, like this. And also this the search icon in the starting will not be clickable, so we will also change the color of this icon, simply like this. Now let's see the preview. Here we can see it's this white color outline, white color is looking dull. So now let's run this app in the emulator. Here first we will zoom in, and here when we click on this search text field, this outline color has turned into purple, and also this cursor color is also looking purple. So we will change these two colors also. How? Let we will Here we have just provided the unfocused border color. Now we will provide the focused border color. So when someone click on this in this text field, then how this focused color will be? We will use white, and also cursor color white. Now let's see the changes. Now we will when we will click like this, now both these colors have changed. Now it's looking perfect. And one more thing we need to do this, we need to give some hint that what this text field is. So we will give the hint like search. So how we can do so? First let's minimize it here like this, and here there is one more parameter called placeholder. Like this, with the help of this placeholder parameter, we will give some text. In this text we have used this search, and also we need some dull white color, and this Cairo font, same that default font which we pasted in our type file. So now let's run this. Now we can see our app is showing this hint. So when someone will start typing this something here, then this search text will disappear. So in this video we will design only this part of our screen, and in the next part we will give the functionality. Thanks for watching.